Siyempre, gusto ko munang sabihin sa'yo na napakaganda mo ngayong gabi. Actually, lagi naman. Ay, chika ko naman na sa'yo lahat. Marites tayong dalawa eh. Yung mga kaibigan mo, lagi lang nasa likod mo. Yung genuine happiness and yung guidance from the Lord. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday! Let this candle be your guide. Let God be the center of your life. And happy birthday, my dear. And nandito lang si Ate for you.
My dearest and one and only daughter, as I give you this candle, feel simple, the Holy Spirit, that it will guide you no matter what you do in your life. Wherever you may go, you will always remember this in your life. Holy Spirit will always be with you.
Ako, ang simbolo ng candle na ito ay para liwanagan. Salamat sa iyo ako dahil sa iyong pagsunod. Ako, nagbasa ka pa ng nasayaan. Upalan, hindi naging nalanak ko.
Hi, Kailin. You look so stunning tonight. Ano bang iniinom yung tubig sa Canada? Parang nakakaganda yata yun. Anyway, kahit saan ka man mapunta, sana happy ka palagi. Wish you all the good things in life. And sana safe ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Be! I hope you have a great day today. And the year ahead is full of many blessings. God bless you always. Happy birthday to you. Ingat ka lagi. Mag-aral tayo na mabuti. Huwag ka muna mag-asawa.
Wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities that will come by you. Birthday, stay humble, stay who you are. Ingat ka lagi, I love you.
Para sa only ate ko sa Agpawa family, happy debut. I just want to say na I admire you kasi you're confidently beautiful with the heart. I hope you'll stay that way.
Son, a blessed birthday, son. Wishing you overload happiness, contentment in life, and long span to live in. May you have more birthdays to come.
Happy debut, Ate Kailin. I wish you good health. I wish that your faith in God grows stronger and that God's love keeps you moving forward.